The MH-6 Little Bird is a combat, single-engine helicopter with a distinctive shape and size. Its small footprint makes it ideal for operating in confined spaces and urban environments. Initially developed for the US Army's 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment (SOAR), commonly known as the Night Stalkers, the MH-6 Little Bird is used for various missions, including insertions and extractions, special operational forces, reconnaissance, and direct action. Despite its small size, the MH-6 Little Bird is known for its impressive speed, agility, and maneuverability. It can quickly insert, extract special operational forces in hostile environments while evading detection. The MH-6 Little Bird can be armed with a variety of weapons, including machine guns, rocket pods, and guided missiles. This allows it to provide close air support for ground forces during combat operations. The helicopter has stealth features to minimize its radar signature. While primarily used by the military special operational forces, the MH-6 Little Bird has also found applications in law enforcement, search and rescue, and other civilian roles. The MH-6 Little Bird typically accommodates a pilot, a co-pilot, with additional seating available for special operational personnel or equipments. The MH-6 Little Bird is a highly specialized helicopter known for its exceptional performance, adaptability, and reliability